Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Chevrolet Camaro LS. Unleash the thrill, drive the iconic 2014 Chevrolet Camaro LS. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 86,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Unleash your inner speedster with the 2014 Chevrolet Camaro LS. Power-packed with a 3.6L V6 engine delivering 323 horses and 278 ft-pounds of torque. Loaded with power everything, air conditioning, cruise control, and premium sound system for the ultimate driving experience. Sleek black-on-black design turns heads on the road. Enjoy a respectable 19 mpg city and 30 highway. With less than 86,000 miles and a clean Carfax, it's practically brand new. Test drive today at 7 Star Auto Sales, Sacramento, CA. Call 916-831-7234. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.